2 years ago, I knew I needed a change in my life, and I knew I had to do something. I have tried every yo-yo diet there was out there. I've worked out at the rec center, I've tried working out at home, and nothing did anything for me. We happened to be working with Rochelle in the ER that day and told her that we needed a change in our life, and she said, "Why don't you guys try CrossFit?" We're like, "We can't do that. We don't know how to do a box jump. You know, I can't run. I can't do any of that stuff." And she was like, "No, it's not like that. Everything we do is modifiable. If you can't do a box jump, you can modify it to do what you can do. If you can't run, there's other things you can do in place of running." And that's what I love about CrossFit. Everything is totally modifiable. Everybody that I talk to that says, "I can't do that stuff," I tell them, "No, you can do it. There's a way to make it work. Everything we do can be modified to make it work for you." Before I started CrossFit, I couldn't run from here to 2 foot in front of me, and now I can run a mile. Takes me a little while, but I can get it done. And I have the energy to chase my 9-year-old around that I couldn't do before, and it's just helped my overall confidence. I used to be scared to walk into places and not meet new people, and that's totally changed since joining CrossFit. The first time I walked in a CrossFit gym, I was mortified, basically, watching the class before me, seeing all the stuff they were doing, and I was like, is it too late to run? But we stuck it out, and we did it, and we were hooked after that first workout, and we've never looked back. I have a lot of goals for myself in the next year, and I'm just gonna keep pushing until I reach them.